Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce George Kooymans, the guitarist of the Dutch band Golden Earring. This is the way we say George Kooymans. George Kooymans. George Kooymans. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of his second name. George Kooymans. George Kooymans. George Kooymans. George Kooymans passed away in July 2025. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!